Hello, everyone. Today, let's discuss a lot of things about next generation data center network. Currently, we are doing a lot of work for the virtualization for the network. We are doing the network element virtualization like virtual switch, like virtual clustering, and a lot of things. And then what's the next step we are doing? The next step we are facing is we want to move towards to the automation for the network. But this is not only in the network, but also an end-to-end point of view for the whole IT resource. So let's take a look at about what we are changing. So the first thing changing is service deployment. In the traditional network, you want to deploy the service, you will buy a lot of hardware and install software on this hardware and use the network, connect them each other by manually. But now, because the hardware platform we are already virtualized, so you can use orchestration application, orchestration management to control all the resources working together automatically. So this asks us to provide an open interface towards the controller, towards the orchestration, so that all the things can be done by software, so we can do it automatically. And the second is operation. It means when you find one service, one application is good, so you want to expand it. And maybe the application should be cut, and you would want to shrink it. So all the service, all the network, all the resource will be done automatically. So even when you want to insert a new service, then the whole IT resource organization chart will be done automatically. And the third is maintenance. Because currently the virtualized layer and the physical layer have some gap. They see each other as a black box. So they don't know each other. So if you want to do the troubleshooting for the traffic in the network, it's very difficult. So what we want to do is we build a hybrid network. This hybrid network can accommodate the virtualized network, overlay network, and the traditional network together in same time. And we hope the network can automatically know where the traffic is going. So the maintenance could be automatically to fix the problem. So what's our Huawei's action to resolve all the points? The first thing is our Huawei introduced a cloud controller. This cloud controller has open interface, source-bound interface to the device, and have the open interface to the northbound. This northbound interface is to the network management orchestration. So the network can do a lot of things according to the software's command. Yeah? So this is the very important point that make the software can talk to the network. The second thing is we have done a lot of innovation in our network. We support overlay network collaboration. We built a gateway for the overlay network. We built a service point, service chain for the overlay network, a lot of things. So we can support virtualized network in our fabric. The second thing is we are doing the network virtualization to make the network much more simple, like SVF soup virtual fabric, like EVN. It's a technology that connects a lot of data centers together and make the virtualizing network can across different data centers. We also do a planned experiment on the open flow. So this makes sure that our customer knowing what we are open flow capability, what's the next generation open flow can do. We also build a scalable box can survive for 10 years, and this can protect the customer's TCO. The third thing is we build a smooth evolution solution for the data center network. So because currently we have traditional legacy service in our data center, we won't throw it away immediately. So we want to keep it and move the new service, move the new virtualized network, move the automation to the data center smoothly. So this hybrid network we are building can promise the customer, can protect their investment and get a very smooth evolution. This is all what we are Huawei doing for the future next generation data network. Thank you.